Have you heard about the Ask Your Heart app? If you have and used this app, don't forget to leave your comments below. Thank you. Now, for those who are not so familiar how it works, let us share with you about this app we have called Ask Your Heart. This app allows you to tap into the knowing of your own heart. We believe this is because our heart is connected to the knowing field or the quantum field. So, if we are having a problem in our life, we can ask our heart to show us a number that comes up on the app. We do that by tapping into the feeling of our own heart that shows us a number. The app then has a randomized series of statements that only our heart knows. So, if we ask our heart to show us a number, it will show us a number related to a statement that will give us insight into that problem. It will give us insight into what is our mind thinking in such a way that is holding us back. We can also ask our heart to show us a number in the app that give us a positive statement and that will give us guidance into how to shift the negative feeling or change our vibration to a more positive and healthy frequency. And lastly, the app then provides us with a quantum healing code. These codes are connected to our chakras. The sound frequencies from the codes help us balance the chakras, and they are extremely powerful when you combine them with the positive statement that your heart gave you while doing the app. That positive statement has its own frequency, its own vibration, which is enhanced by the quantum healing code. You can use the Ask Your Heart app on yourself. You can also help family or friends. Children also love doing the app. You can also use it with your clients and on your pets. You can check this app for free on our website, scalarheartconnection.com. Just scroll down where it says Ask Your Heart, the free version. And I hope you enjoy it and get a lot out of it. Follow your heart. And thank you for listening.